ka na ganito?
Sige na nga, girl. Naiya naman ako bigla sa suot ko.
May pakaba-kaba ka pa, nakakaloka ka. Matutulog ka lang, nagpatikit ka pa.
Ano ka ba? Inspired by Madonna yan.
Inspired by Madonna. Alam mo, inisip ko din dati yan sa concert ko. Sabi ko, gusto ko sasakay ako sa ganyan, may mga ganito. Hindi pinagawa sa akin.
Bakit?
Pag bumakaroon akong carousel, pag may mga ganito. Kaya...
Oh, sige, girl. I'll leave the stage to you muna, ha? I'll just change.
Thank you so much for at least nag-perform ka bago ang talagang concert ko. Ilang oras ka rin nagpakapagod para sa gabi ito. Maraming salamat, ha?
Tangkad mo?
Hindi ako matangkad, maliit ka lang. Huwag mo isinisisi sa akin ang kahinaan ko. Nagtiki-tiki ka ng bata ka. Saan ka nakahabol ka sa akin?
May iwan mga ka dyan! Bye, girl.
Yan, bastos ng damit. Ang laso. Simple lang tayo. Ayoko naman makahagol next time. Since ang tagal-tagal ko nga naghintay bago ko dito sa eksena ko, dumaan muna ako ng simbahan. May kulto kasi akong kinabibilangan. Galing ako sa kulto na kung tawagin ay Puchu-Puchu. Ah! Okay, malinaw. Konting utot, palakpak. Ano ko, kalapate? Sa bubong na lang ako tumambay. Daddy, oh, Anne's dad is here. Thank you so much for being here. Daddy, am I beautiful tonight? Really, thank you. Siguro nalululoka na yung tatay niya. Siguro iniisip ko, ganyan na ba mga binata rito sa Pilipinas? Okay, yung magtataka na ko. Next year, nakausap ko si Pinoy. Ganito na ang uniform ng MMD. Tingnan ko lang kung magka-traffic pa. Wala nang sasakyan sa kalsada, walang lalabas. Kung ganito yung MMDA, akala magugunaw ng mundo. Diba? Mas, ang karaniwang suot ko lang ito, parang karaniwang ay, ito nga pinang-commute ko. Mag-commute ka, ganito yung tsura mo. Makakatipid ka, hindi ka pagbabayarin ng driver. Akala sira ulo ka eh. Pag sinabi mo, mabayad, di, okay lang. Saka. Diba? Okay. Pero kailangan ko ng kumanta. Kasabihin nyo naman, wala akong talent. I know na maganda si Anne, pero marami kasi I love you too. Ay, babae yan. Nakakadiri ka. Kababae yung tao, nag-I love you ka sa akin? I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I'm sorry. I avoid seafoods. Nagkaka-allergy ako dyan. Ayoko kaya ng girls. Yeah. Kaya nga ako na ganito, no? Ayoko ng girls. Nakakita na ako ng sa girl, nakakabwisit yung itsura. Talaga naman, nakakapikon kaya itsura nung sa babae. Kala mo lagi nangaasar, nakaganyan lagi. Yeah. Don't like it. Komportable na ako sa ganito. Hello? Proud na proud sa akin ang tatay ko nung nakita niya akong ganito. Kanya kaya ito, pinaliitan niya. Okay, at this point, I would like to sing a song. Of course. I will sing a song. Will I sing a dance? I cannot sing a song. Okay. I would like to rent a song. Yeah, that's why it is my favorite song. Because it is a song that happens to be very beautiful. That's why I said, oh, that's a beautiful song. And so I decided that it's gonna be my favorite song. Why? Because it's a beautiful song. And at this point, since this night is a very special night, I would like to share with you my favorite song. Because indeed, it is a very beautiful song. Yeah. Why are you laughing? Am I laughable? Yeah, this is a very beautiful song. Are you a song? No, that's why you're not beautiful. Okay, this song talks about friendship. You know what friendship is? Do you know what friendship is? Do you guys know what friendship is? What is friendship? Well, friendship is one of the most beautiful things in the world. Just like this song. That's why friendship is my favorite word. Just like this song, which happens to be my favorite song. Because they're both beautiful. Okay. This song is really a song that tells a story about friendship, which is one of the most beautiful things in life. And then again, ladies and gentlemen, this song. Kaya dapat pag kumakanta, kinakausap mo yung mga tao. You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by railway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can reach me by caravan. Cross the desert like an Arab man. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. You can reach me by sailboats, climb a tree and swing rope to rope. Take a sled and slide down slow into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speeding horse, cross the border in a blaze